And the next one is what is the find element and find elements that I have shown you in the example as well. There are two ways to locate an element. One is the find element, another is the find elements. If we talk about the find element, so find element method is used to access a single web element. So in that case, we can use find element and it will return me the first matching element, whatever the first. It will start from the up and it will start searching that particular locator in that particular DOM, and whatever it will find the first occurrence of that particular locator, so it will give me that particular matching element. And if it don't find any such element that you are trying to find out, so in that case it will throw you an exception. That is no such element exception. It will throw you that there is no element in particular page that or in particular DOM that you are trying to find out. So it will throw you an error for that. And this is the syntax is there, that you have to use driver dot find element by dot xpath or any other locator you can use for that. 8 different locators are there, you can use that. And it will give the return type as a web element, so you can use a web element to store inside to store it. And if we talk about the find elements, so if you want to locate more than one element, so in that case we can use the find elements method. And if it don't find anything, okay, if it don't find any element with that particular locator, so in that case what it will give, it will not throw any error to you, but it will give you the empty list. It means there will be no value existing there, so it will give you empty list of the web elements. It will not throw you any exception in that. And the return type of our find elements is the list of web elements. So they even ask sometimes in interviews as well, what is the return type of find elements method? So it is the list of the web elements is there. And below is the syntax that I have shown you. This is the syntax you have to use for the find elements, the same way we have used to find out all the links on the web page. So in the similar way you can use it. So this is the difference between find element and find elements. And next, if